In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the affordable Pictek gaming keyboard that has media keys and most importantly, it has a volume knob. The keyboard comes in a cardbox package and it is wrapped in bubble wrap as you see. It has a small user manual. This is a cable, it's pretty long, so I hooked it to my desktop and the desktop is on the ground and the cable was lengthy enough. It feels well made to the hand. And these are the media keys and the volume knob key, which I like very much. The keys feel good. The media keys stand out because they are of a bright silver color, as opposed to the volume knob key, which is a darker shade of gray. It would have been better if they were all the same color, of course. Here I'm removing the protection, and you saw earlier that it has also a phone holder, the red one on the top. On the back of the keyboard, you have two stands to put it higher, if you like it like this. And it also has on the bottom an anti-slip rubber so that the keyboard stays in place when you are using it. This is a close-up of the keyboard. The lighting is really nice and it also lights up on the sides. This is a close-up of the media keys. They are well laid out. They are a little bit plasticky, but I don't mind this. I mean, for the price of the keyboard, they are really good. The volume knob is really easy to operate, and this is the phone holder. The lighting is nice, and the keys are high. The keys try to mimic the mechanical keyboard, but this is not a mechanical keyboard. All the functions are here. Numeric keypad is here also. It has 25 anti-ghosting keys. It is anti-spill and also it is dust proof. The keys feel good and they don't move side to side and they feel sturdy. And they have a positive click. One thing I didn't like too much is the space bar. It's a little bit mushy, but it does the job. I mean, for the price of this keyboard, the construction and the feel is really very good. One thing I would have liked is that if this keyboard had a direct mute button, but this is not a big deal. This is a numeric lock, caps lock, and scroll lock. They all light very well. The lighting of the keyboard is controlled via the keys with the function key, and this is a combination on the left, you can see it. So you don't have to install any software on your computer to control the lighting. It has many different sets of lighting, RGB breathing mode, constant lighting, and also mono lighting, and you can control the brightness. It looks really good on the desk, especially with also I have an RGB keyboard and mouse pad, as you see. It's a nice keyboard for the price. You can't go wrong with this keyboard. This is the logo. It's a little bit bright and it's always red, but I don't mind. And this is the side lighting looking great in uniform red. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.